Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Peppermint Crinkles. This is Anne. Yeah, monthly bye-bye products for the month of July and August, and here they are. There are just quite a few because, like I said, if you've watched my previous video, I've been in and out of the hospital because of my infection. Yeah, whatever. So anyways, I'll just get started. So yeah, wet wipes. This one is just a Simple Plan body mist cologne. This is also a Victoria's Secret vanilla lace. This is just a deodorant that my aunt gave me. This one is a L'Oreal Color Rich Eternal Mauve, which is actually, it smells funky now, so although I love the shade, but yeah. So anyways, cotton pad. This is the e.l.f. Complexion Perfection, which I already killed up, and yeah, I'll be buying a new one. So I love that powder. I really do love that powder. Let's see now. This is a Dream Mousse concealer. She's dead already, so yeah. I think they've discontinued this product already, so probably I'll just throw it away. What else? And this is actually from Avon, a kind of a perfume. I think it's Cherish. I don't know if the camera could pick up that name, but yeah, I love this scent, so probably I'll be repurchasing this. This one is the Body Shop Spiced Vanilla Body Butter, the one that came with the set. So I love the scent, so yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that is it guys. Thank you very much for watching. God bless and bye bye.